What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Today is going to be a fairly short video. I don't know how too long it's going to be. I kind of want to do a little test drive with it just to let you guys know how it feels and everything. But yesterday me and my buddies did a late Secret Santa thing, and my buddy actually got me a new shift knob for my car since I still have the OEM one. He actually got me the Billetworkz shift knob. Really nice, actually. It has the WRX writing on there, and then the numbers in Japanese 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in reverse. He got me in this blue, really dark blue with the teal dots on it. It's really nice. He got it because I was kind of going for like a blue black type theme for my car with my mud flaps and everything. This shift knob weighs about 175 grams. I'm not sure what the OEM shift knob weighs. I looked forever on Google how much that weighs to be able to get the weight for it, but I just could not find it for the life of me. But yeah, anyways, this is also casted in aluminum, so if you live somewhere that gets hot, super hot in the summertime like we do in California, if your car is just sitting around in the sun, it won't hopefully burn your hand off. It's the spring winter time right now in here, so it's not super hot outside, so I can't really tell you if that happens. But yes, so I'm gonna go to my car right now and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I made it back to my car. This install should be fairly easy. Honestly, all you have to do is just take off the OEM shift knob. I'm actually going to do a weight comparison to see how heavy the OEM one versus the new one is. So the OEM has some decent weight to it. It's kind of hard to tell. It actually feels like the OEM one is a little bit heavier. So, but yeah, so after you take off the OEM shift knob, but the only thing you have to install are these two little bolts and nuts. You install the first nut first, and you just install it all the way down, super easy, nothing too fancy. And then you install this one right on top of it. I guess if you wanted to, you could probably just tighten even more with a wrench. I'll probably do that later, but for the sake of the video, I'm just not going to do it right now. And all you have to do is just grab your shift knob, just put that on top, just screw it on. And then if you just, it'll probably end up like this, but if you need to adjust the bolts and everything, you can. I'll probably go ahead and do that right now, actually, since my OCD kicks in. Okay, so it took me a while to figure it out, but I got the shift knob on. I'm gonna help you guys in the future if you guys ever do decide to get a shift knob. And if you have something like this and you have a bolt and you screw it all the way down, it's gonna come off. It's gonna be like almost upside down or like something like that. It's gonna be a little off, and if you have OCD like me, that's a big no-no. So what you want to do is you want to adjust this bolt that comes with it, and you want to make it so there's barely any thread to go all the way down in, and get it down to where it is around there. If the camera will focus, hope you guys can see it. If you get it around there, hopefully it'll line up just like mine does. I took it off, so I might have to adjust a little bit, but I mean, I hope you get the idea. Like, I'll show you right now. So I'm gonna turn it to the left, just barely, and just keep playing around just keep playing around with it like that. And so, yeah, just like that. I can make it a little tighter if I want to. So I'm gonna make it just a tiny bit tighter. Just screw a tiny bit more to the left. And yes, now I can hand tighten it pretty well so it doesn't come off. And yeah, now it's practically just straight. But yeah, when I was doing the install, I felt both shift knobs, and I feel like the OEM one is a lot heavier. I don't know why, but it feels like this shift knob just gets thrown in place a lot better. If you have a WRX, you know that the trannies in this car are just super notchy, like just super notchy. So this actually makes it feel like a lot heavier, even though it feels lighter in my opinion. But yeah, I'm gonna go take this on a quick test drive just to see how it feels. So let's see how it feels. Okay, so we are now on the road. And so far, it feels pretty good. It's not as heavy. It's not like the heaviest shift knob, so the throws are still a little notchy. It's not gonna be like super smooth, but I honestly think it feels a lot better. I don't know if it's just me, but I do feel like it's a lot easier to throw the car into gear. Who knows? It might be the size of the car, it might be the size of the shift knob, it might just be me. I don't know. But it does look nice. The one thing I probably do wish is if the handle, is if the sphere itself was a little bit bigger so it covers more of my hand. But other than that, I have no complaints about it. So, but yes, this is on the lighter side for shift knobs. You can get up to like 500 grams, which I think is pretty crazy. But if you're just like an everyday driver, you just want to enjoy the car a little more, I feel like this is well more than enough. Maybe 200, 300 grams, I'd probably be a little more better, but yeah. Alright, I'm back. I picked up the goods. Picked up some food because I was starving. For you guys just to see what it feels like going through the gears. Feels pretty good, like I said. This car is kind of notchy, so, but honestly, after you get used to it for a while, I'm sure it's not that bad, but the shifter definitely makes a big difference. Alright guys, so I guess the last clip you just saw, my camera just died, so and I realized it until now, so I couldn't make it. I tried to record the outro, but I guess my battery was already dead by then, so I did an outro, but I didn't record because the camera died, so yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.